Hi guys, Grudy's Racing Resto. I thought I'd share with you something a little exciting. It's not so exciting because it's an LS, but more. Hold on, let's shut this. This is the donor motor for me to bolt the supercharger kit to and manufacture the kit on. It's been in an accident, so I need to collect a few parts. But yeah, it will work for me to set up this complete. Hold on. We have the holley low ram. Now there is a reason I chose this manifold. Big plenum, really good runners. And not like all the other manifolds on the market. All the other manifolds on the market have all the other low profile blower manifolds have a big plenum with tiny little short runners and no real bell mouth. They're just a shit design. This one will be really good. I will actually have a diversion down the middle where the boost will blow down the middle and then it will come out and it'll roll over. So it'll hit down the middle here. I'll roll over and there will be a little bit of turbulence in there, but it should drive the boost all the way down. So it'll be a V plenum that I bolt on the inside with a hole in it like this. Nice and neat. And yeah, use O-ring, bolted top down, and put this old Whipple on top. So we'll see how it all goes together. Should look good when it's all done. But yeah, measured the pulley size. The pulley that's actually here is a couple of millimeters bigger than what's on the LS. So this was a 6 or 7 pound setup. I think if we can get 6 pound on a healthy LS1 with a bit of a cam in it, should be fun. Then there's always options to put a water to air on top, raise it up a bit, and make even more power with small boost. So yeah, as much as I don't do a lot of LS work, I have some LS stuff laying around the shop for some friends. So yeah, this one will be 6 pound billet Whipple. It's a very early Whipple, so yeah, and I'll sort it all out. It's in a car that doesn't have power steer pump, so I get to reroute all the belts and do it nice, and I'll actually clean up the look in the engine bay. It's in an old HG Holden, so yeah. Thanks guys, I will keep you updated, and we'll put this in as a start to the LS supercharged combo.